Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, let's discuss a very familiar topic, simile. Everyone will be quite familiar with this term simile, or maybe you are using this similes in your day-to-day life. Even though you have heard of this term simile, many get confused over what is simile and what is metaphor. So in this video, let's discuss the term simile. What is simile? A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way. So it's a figure of speech in which two dissimilar objects or concepts, two different things are compared with one another. Okay, two different things, two dissimilar objects or concepts are compared with one another. For this comparison, the terms like or as is used. So in order to compare two different things, two dissimilar objects or concepts, the terms like or as is used. So this simile is used as a literary device to assert similarity with the help of terms like or as. This concept will be more clear to you if you listen to some examples for simile. There are many common examples of simile used in everyday conversation and writing. So let's discuss some examples also. First one, he is like a lion in the battlefield. So the first example is, he is like a lion in the battlefield. Here the term like is used to compare two different things. A warrior in the battlefield is compared to a lion using the term like. He is like a lion in the battlefield. Another example, he is as busy as a bee. A person is compared to a bee. He is as busy as a bee. Here the term as is used to compare that person to a bee. Then next example, they fought like cats and dogs. So their fight, it is compared to the fight between cats and dogs. They fought like cats and dogs. Here again, like is used to compare two different things. Likewise, there are many other examples which uses this similes. For example, some more examples related to this topic. She is as light as a feather. Then another one, he is as cool as a cucumber. Another famous example from literature, oh my love is like a red, red rose. Famous lines by Robert Burns. Oh my love is like a red, red rose. Here also simile, the figure of speech simile is employed. So there are so many examples for simile. So in order to conclude, I'll describe it once again. A simile is a figure of speech that compares two different things, two dissimilar objects or concepts using the terms like or as.